Fiber is the first technology specifically designed to move massive amounts of data. A single strand, the width of a human hair, offers the same high speeds for uploading and downloading data, all things that are now more important than ever for anyone trying to work from home, support their kids learning from home, or just even trying to keep the peace while everyone uses the internet in their own way. The superior speed, security, and reliability of fiber internet gives businesses the ability to utilize video meetings, integrate cloud-based applications, and move large data files. All of that is great and achievable through traditional underground construction. However, with microtrenching, it's just easier. Rather than digging up the whole neighborhood, a tractor drives along the curb, making a cut in the pavement, while any materials kicked up by the cutting are immediately vacuumed up to minimize any mess. Next, fiber optic cable is laid inside the trench. Despite the narrowness, about 1,000 fibers can be placed inside a single microtrench, creating a future-proof underground infrastructure. Finally, the trench is covered with concrete. Not only is microtrenching faster than traditional underground construction, it's also much less disruptive of traffic and access to property. To learn more, visit tinginternet.com/microtrenching.